Welcome back here with you with another video. We're not missing one video all December. Let's see how this starts on this cold start right now. Oof. Today's video, unfortunately, we're not working on the Miata or the K-Truck, but that is coming this weekend. But what I'm gonna do actually is go to the shop. I'm gonna go over my design some more. I kind of want to physically be there and create everything because I still gotta make my sleeve design for the white jacket. I could just put WayBeforeTheFame sleeve regular, but I don't want to do that. I kind of want it to be more creative. So I'm thinking of just going there, sitting there for a couple hours, just brainstorming. That way I'm in the shop, I'm like surrounded by things that are just gonna motivate me to get it done. And while I'm there, I want to work on the little side projects that I've been slacking on. So we're gonna head to the shop right now. See you guys in 1 second. Alright, so I've mostly just been working. I'm gonna do a full video on this in the future, but like I was talking about before, I bought these all over the place in Walmart, and I finally put WayBeforeTheFame.com on it. I think it looks pretty nice. It's not really focused. Let me pull out my phone. So yeah, as you see, it's a little grainy, but I feel like when it gets in the plastic, no one's really gonna open this anyway. I try my best to make it better, but it's just so small. Like it's like 1 inch wide. So yeah, but I'm really happy how this came out. I'm gonna do a full video of this in the future. I also just finished junk stuff, so I'm gonna send Chris his hats right now. This was a rush order. These are done. Pretty happy about that. And now I'm about to just go home. Not sure where else this video is gonna go. It's probably gonna be like a half a video, and then another video is gonna commence after this. But as of right now, I'm done for today. We're gonna come back here tomorrow, most likely go over the Nike stuff some more, and I'll go a little more in depth because today was kind of just working. This kind of threw me off a little bit, but I'm happy this got started at least. Alright, so now that we're back in the studio, I can show you guys my Nike designs. I know I didn't show you guys that much in the shop. I was mostly just helping other people out and then just getting things done, so I didn't really have time for myself. But now that we're back here, I'm gonna go on my laptop and show you guys. I want to say about like 80% of the designs that I have ready for the 13th. Some things are kind of still in the air per se, but I do have a lot of things that I'm pretty confident say that's like the final sketch. So let's get into my laptop now and I'll show you guys some more. Okay, so first and foremost, if you're watching this, I hope you subscribed already. I'm trying to get to 400 subs. When I get to 400 subs, I will be dropping a giveaway on this video. So if you want to watch this video and just follow the rules, I'm almost there. It's a free giveaway. All you gotta do is watch that video, follow the rules, and make sure to subscribe. But let's start with the Nike thing. So the first thing is this crew neck. As you guys remember, I bought a bunch of these crew necks, and I feel like I got the same exact color too. So I feel like this salmon color is I wouldn't say it's loud, but I don't want to go too crazy with it, because if I had like a black one, it'd be, you know, you could do whatever you want on it. But this salmon one, I kind of want to keep it simple. So what I'm going to do on that is, let's go to Photoshop. I'm going to put this. So I'll show you guys now. I'm thinking of basically just embroidering WayBeforeTheFame over it. Like, it's not going to be perfect, but it'll be close. You know what I mean? Like, hold on, let me put this paint bucket down. Alright, so that's my crew neck basically. And how you know how it comes with the check already, how it has this check. What my plan honestly is just to embroider like way before and then the fame in black, or maybe another color. We'll see actually. If I have another color that clashes better, because I think the black is a little too dark for that. So I might do like a, who knows, maybe I do like a yellow or something. But that's my plan. So this one is a little shaky because it could easily get messed up, seeing how like the placement would have to be perfect to get this to look exactly like how it looks on this Photoshop. So everything is done by hand, so we'll see how that goes. But I think I'm going to do that for the crew necks. I don't want to put something too crazy. I kind of like the simplicity of that, seeing how it's a loud color. I don't want to put something on the sleeve or the back or a huge logo like here. That's what I'm going to do for the first one. So crew necks done. Secondly, let's go into this one. This one's pretty easy too. They don't have the color that I have, like the all over print, but it's this hoodie. And what design I'm going to do is, I'm pretty sure you guys saw it already. I don't even think I have it here. Oh no, I do. It's right here. I'm gonna do this. So it's gonna be this is gonna be red though. This is gonna be like transparent to the hoodie. So it's gonna look more like this. I'll do that really quick so you guys get a better idea. So it's gonna look like that basically with the all over print Nike hoodies. I did this design before, and I hate redoing designs. That's like a big thing about why I like doing things the 13th, because it's like I do that artwork and then I would say 99% of the time it never comes back again. But with Nike, you know, I'm not gonna be dropping Nike. I'm not gonna be dropping $5,000 on Nike products to do something again. So I really like the design. People love it, so I'm just gonna do that one again. And then now for the Nike hoodie, this is the one that I'm kind of confused about. I don't know what to do exactly. I kind of want to do that embroidery again here. I don't know what to put in the front per se, right? Because I know what I'm going to put in the back. I'll show you guys what I'm going to put in the back. On the back, I'm going to put this right here. So I have the mustard, navy, and the red hoodies, and I'm going to basically put this design. So on the mustard one, it'll probably get the white letters with the black check. And then on the red one, it'll probably be black letters, white check, and then the navy, white letters, black check. This is gonna go on the back. I kind of want it to be like maybe like 11 inches long and maybe like 3 inches wide. Like nothing too crazy. But I like the way that this is gonna look. So I'm thinking of putting that on the back, and I'm not sure if I want to put that same exact embroidery on these hoodies, or I should put something else on the front, because I kind of want to put something else. I want to put something embroidered basically. I don't just want to screen print on the hoodie. So I don't know if I'm gonna maybe like embroider something like right here on the wrist or over the Nike check. I'm gonna see how it looks on the crew neck. So the first thing I'm gonna do is a crew neck, because that one is gonna be the hardest thing to do. If it comes out clean and the measurement and everything is fine, I'll probably just do that again. And if not, then I don't know. I really don't know. I'll probably put something in the sleeves. But I think it's going to come out fine. I'm going to be pretty optimistic about it. So that is 3 items out of the like 6. Beanies, we already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to embroider WayBeforeTheFame on the back of that. So that one is pretty easy. Book bags, I don't know what to do with the book bags though. I'm thinking of doing a design like this. Obviously done a lot better. But like the W would be like here, you know, and like blocked off. Like I guess I'll show you guys a small sample. I don't really feel like doing this. Like the W would be like that, for example. And obviously, like way taller. Like this line would go up here, this line would go down there, B, etc., etc. I'm thinking of putting like that diamond logo and the WBTF in the middle of the backpack. I'm not sure though, because I don't want to put text. I want to put like a logo or something like cool like that. Like I don't want to put, initially I was gonna put text, but I didn't want to put text on text, even though this is kind of text, but it's more like a logo. Because WayBeforeTheFame doesn't really have a logo. So I'm thinking of maybe doing this. We're going to see how that goes. I have to make this design. I know it's going to take me a minute to do this. But that's what I'm going to do for the book bags. And then for the white jacket, I was going to do this sleeve hit right here. This was my initial plan. So I was going to put this on the sleeve. But I'm not really sure about it. So it's basically WayBeforeTheFame, right? I'm kind of using the same font for everything too, if you haven't realized. But it's basically WayBeforeTheFame right here. And it's going to have really small Nikes right here. I don't hate it. I don't love it. I'm like indifferent about it. Like, I kind of don't just want to put WayBeforeTheFame on the sleeve. I kind of want to do it more creative. And then at the same time, I don't know if I actually want to do like a solid arm hit. I don't know if I want to use like the WayBeforeTheFame font and then like do it that way. So I'm thinking, I don't know, like I really don't know. I don't know what I want to do with that white jacket, because as we know, that white jacket is fire. And it's so fire that I don't really want to put too much on it. Like I was actually gonna put this one on the white jacket, but after I realized I had a little hump by the neck, I was like, nah, I can't do that anymore. So I'm probably gonna do. I know I'm gonna do a sleeve fit. I'm just not sure if I'm gonna do this one or I'm gonna do the regular WayBeforeTheFame like this. I really love the fact that the jacket is so like an eggshell cream color. So I feel like if I blop this really black arm hit right here, it might look weird. So I'm thinking of most likely that I'm gonna go with this. That way it looks clean. And then if anything, what I would do is I would do the screen print in this WayBeforeTheFame for the vest. so that I don't double logo. You know what I mean? Like, I don't want someone to be wearing the jacket and then it has Wait for the Fame on the arm, and then when they open the vest, it's the same exact logo. I mean, I guess that's what most people should want to do, like to really get their brand out there. But I'm not for over branding, so most likely what I'm gonna actually do now that I'm looking at it like this, I'm gonna go with the classic logo for the arm, and then I'm gonna take this one, and I still feel like it's really like loud, like, but I'm probably just gonna make this for the vest and screen print it like that. I'm not really too crazy about this font anymore. I really love it for the back of the hoodies and for the embroidery part, but just looking at it like this, I don't know, it's not really giving me, it's not really for me right now. That's kind of everything that I want to do. Like, to go over it again, for this hoodie, I'm going to put this design on the back. So the mustard, navy, and the red hoodies are going to get this on the back. Pretty big, like I said, like 11 inches tall, maybe like 3 inches wide. The check is probably going to be like 5 inches wide. That's the first thing. I think it looks cool. You guys can let me know in the comments. I think that's a really good design for that one. Secondly is the all over print. This one is a certified banger. That's a logo, fire. I know that one's going to sell out very quick. And then this one for the book bag, kind of indecisive, but I'm pretty sure that I'm going to go with this logo, unless I can create myself another logo, and that doesn't take like a day. I want to have everything done and emailed and vectored and digitized for Monday. So I can start printing everything Monday, start printing everything Tuesday, everything be done Wednesday. If I have to print some things on Wednesday, I do it, but most of this is really going to be embroidery, and embroidery is like the easiest thing to do. Now I don't got to worry about screens or anything like that. So that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Road to 400k subs by Monday. Let's get this up. Maybe I'll drop 2 videos tomorrow just so I can really get it done on Monday. But thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the Pokemon videos. There's some videos on the screen right now. Click one of them. Let's watch them. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.